Hi there, Cheryl Davey with the Hill and Harbour Real Estate Group. I'm incredibly pleased and excited to bring to you today our newest listing in the heart of New Westminster. Not only is the location ideal, just 2 blocks from Columbia Station, but this entire home was professionally designed and renovated in 2018. You've got real hardwood floors, open concept, and high quality finishings throughout. You're absolutely gonna love the walkout patio where you can sit in the sun, barbecue, and entertain. This is a listing that you're gonna wanna see. Come check it out.